planning a Maldives trip. This video can save you time, money, and disappointment. The Maldives is expensive, but only if you do it wrong. Here are the biggest mistakes to avoid, so your trip is actually worth every dollar. Avoid arriving in the Maldives at night. Choose a morning or daytime flight so your trip starts with stunning views of turquoise lagoons and tiny islands, especially if you are taking a seaplane. Night arrival. Waste a day and skip one of the best experiences. July to August is peak rainy season in the Maldives. Strong winds and rough currents can affect snorkeling, dolphin cruise, and whale shark trips. If activities matter to you, avoid these months. Booking breakfast only is a big money trap. You are on a private island with no outside restaurants, and walk-in dining is expensive. Half-board, full-board, or all-inclusive packages are usually much better value. Avoid overwater villas too close to the beach. The water is shallow with less coral. The best villas are usually in the middle, where the water is deeper and marine life is better. Avoid the furthest villas if currents are strong. Don't pack only singlets and shorts. Many resorts have dinner dress codes and a classy atmosphere. Bring at least one nice outfit. White, looks especially good by the beach. Alright, this video has come to an end. If this helped, give it a like. Thank you for watching.